Ciao ragazzi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Roberta, Pasta Evangelist, and today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe, a nice idea for your date night. We start with a spaghetti all'ubriaco.
Come prima, più di prima, t'amerò. Per la vita, la mia vita ti darò. Sembra un sogno rivedere.
Ingredients. We have some garlic, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, Parmesan, dry spaghetti, and of course the best quality of red wine. Today we selected Nero d'Avola. We can start. We start by chopping a couple of garlic cloves. We are chopping very finely so it doesn't really get the bits into the plate. So I have tried the first time this dish when I traveled to Tuscany. The reason why I know is because when I try new recipe, I'm not really shy to go to the chef in the kitchen and ask what's the secret. And he shared with me the only secret for this recipe is to use the best quality wine. So now we can start. We move to the pan, which we are going to get the garlic a little bit brown with some extra virgin olive oil from Pasta Evangelists. We can add the garlic. So before you add the wine to the sauce, try some. You never know. The wine probably might be not good in the bottle. Let's go for it. In this case, it's delicious. Let's add it to the sauce, yeah? Leave it to cook for a few minutes. It's important because the alcohol needs to evaporate. Once you're ready, you can go for it and get your spaghetti in. So as you can see, the wine is getting reducing with the sauce. It's important that evaporates all the alcohol. Once the pasta is being cooked halfway, we will take it from the pan and continue to cook into the little pan until it became really nice and drunk. Yeah? So now we have left all the alcohol evaporates. It's very important, as I said, guys, because you need to get the flavor of the wine. The pasta is half cooked. Now we are taking from the pan and we continue to leave to cook into the red wine sauce. So guys, we are leaving to cook the spaghetti into the wine sauce, yeah? In the meantime, you can grate some Parmesan cheese to put it on top. So the spaghetti are almost done. We are going to just cook for another couple of minutes. You can see the creaminess comes from just the starch of the pasta cooked with the water. That's it. If you want, you can also add a spoon of butter. I normally don't add butter because it's not really part of my Southern Italian kitchen, but you can go for it. It's gonna give you extra creaminess. So we are basically ready to plate. And as you can see, in 10 minutes, the recipe is done. This is the perfect idea for your next dinner date. Oh, sono buonissimi. They're really nice. Something that you can add as well, just to make it a little bit more spicy. You can add some chili flakes at the end. That is going to be perfect for your date night. This is absolutely delicious. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. See you at the next recipe. Ciao.